Ecom Squeezed, quick tips from Retail-Outsource. Please like, share and hit the notification button for more videos from Retail-Outsource. Hello, I'm Aaron, and in this video I'm going to explain on how to send the best offers to the buyers. So, for example, if you have a large amount of stock sitting, or you just want to increase your sales, the best option would be to send offers to the watchers. So how do we do it? First, log on to your seller hub, then select listing, and then click active, and then send offers by choosing all categories. It shows send offer eligible. So in this example, I'm going to select one listing and then send 10% offer to all those watchers. So how do I do it? I select the listing, and under actions, I select send offers. And from the drop down box, you can see there are two options. You can choose either percentage or a definite amount. Here, I'm going to select percentage off, and then I'm putting in 10% off. And if you want, you can allow buyers to make counter offers, or you can let it out. Once you've done that, you have a choice to enter a custom message or leave it blank. I'm just going to leave it blank. Once you do that, click on send offers. Once you do that, the buyers will get a notification on their listings that there is a special offer for them for this particular item. And you can see here, all those watchers will get notified. In this specific one, there are 4 watchers, yes. So they will be notified. And this is a very simple way to increase your sales. Thank you. And if you sell on eBay or Amazon, if you have few questions, then you can also book a 30-minute free consultation from the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and stay safe.